Hey, Christy here, service manager from Bike World in Urbandale, and I'm going to show you what we do when you bring your bike in for a tune-up. For every tune-up, we will perform a multi-point inspection where we're going to check the frame and fork. We're going to inspect the drivetrain for wear. We're going to check and adjust the shifting and brakes and check the wheels and tires. So let's take a closer look at everything. And there you have it. Bringing in your bike for regular tune-ups will help improve the longevity and function of your bike and keep you riding safe and happy. Give one of our 3 locations a call to schedule a tune-up today.